Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup OVHcloud VPS using snapshots and rescue workflows. Complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your OVHcloud control panel. Navigate to the VPS section in the left-hand menu. Select the VPS instance you want to backup. Click on the Snapshots tab at the top of the page. To create a new snapshot, click the Create a Snapshot button. Enter a name for your snapshot. Confirm any settings as prompted and click Confirm. Wait for the snapshot creation process to finish. You will receive a notification once the snapshot is complete. Next, check that your snapshot appears in the list of available snapshots. If a problem occurs with your VPS, move to the Rescue Mode setup. Return to the main VPS dashboard and click on Rescue. Activate Rescue Mode by selecting a rescue image. Click on the Confirm button to initiate the rescue process. Once the rescue environment is set up, take note of the temporary IP address provided. Use an SSH client to connect to your VPS using the given IP address. Log in with the credentials displayed in the control panel. In the rescue environment, mount your primary disk. Use the command line to navigate to your data. You can copy important files to an external storage location or the rescue environment itself. After completing your data recovery or backup, reboot your VPS from the control panel. Toggle off rescue mode by selecting Disable Rescue. Wait for your VPS to restart normally. Verify that all services are running smoothly. Now, you have successfully backed up your OVHcloud VPS using snapshots and rescue workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.